Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and this episode is about installing Shotcut, a video editor, on your Chromebook. Now, if you don't have a Chromebook, some don't, then you can stop listening now because we're just talking about the Chromebook. If you do have one, set it up into the Linux terminal and install Shotcut. I've got a link from thecoderworld.com on how to install Shotcut onto your Chromebook, and it works. I did it on mine, and so I know it works. And the Shotcut video editor, I'm still learning it, and the reason I'm still putting energy and time into learning it is it's pretty darn good. Okay.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.